Before we start this video, please take some time to click that subscribe button below. Hi, welcome to another video by Chinny Brothers. In this video, we're going to talk about the best programming languages to learn for 2020. So let's start. This is Chinny Brothers. First is Python. Python continues to be one of the best programming languages every developer should learn this year. The language is easy to learn and offers a clean and well-structured code, making it powerful enough to build a decent web application. For instance, Python offers the Django and Flask, popular libraries for web development, and TensorFlow, Keras, and SciPy for data science applications. Python can be used for desktop applications, GUI-based desktop applications, machine learning, data science, and network servers. The programming language enjoys immense community support and offers several open source libraries, frameworks, and modules that make application development a cakewalk. Second is Kotlin. Kotlin is a general-purpose programming language with type inference. It is designed to be completely interoperable with Java. Moreover, from the time Android announced it as its first language, Kotlin offers features that developers ask for. It effortlessly combines object-oriented and functional programming features within it. Third is Java. This object-oriented programming language does not require a specific hardware infrastructure. It is easily manageable and has a good level of security. Moreover, it is easier to learn Java in comparison to languages such as C and C++. No wonder nearly 90% of Fortune firms rely on Java for their desktop applications and back-end development projects. Java. Despite its industry age, the Java is incredibly stable and not heading for retirement anytime soon. This makes Java one of the most desirable languages among programmers in 2020. Fourth is C and C++. C and C++ is like the bread and butter of programming. Almost all low-level systems such as operating systems, file systems, and etc. are written in C and C++. If you wish to be a system-level programmer, C/C++ is the language you should learn. C++ is also widely used by competitive programmers owing to the fact that it is extremely fast and stable. C and C++. C++ also provides something called the STL, Standard Template Library. STL is a pool of ready-to-use libraries for various data structures, arithmetic operations, and algorithms. Fifth is JavaScript and NodeJS, which is the same thing. JavaScript, also known as NodeJS, is a popular language among developers who need to work on server-side and client-side programming. It is compatible with several other programming languages, allowing you to create animations, set up buttons, and manage multimedia. Owing to its high speed and regular annual updates, JavaScript is an ultimate hit in the IT domain. Reputed firms like Netflix, Uber, PayPal, and several startups use JavaScript to create dynamic web pages that are secure and fast. And the bonus is Go. Go is a new system-level programming language that has focused vocabulary and simple scoping rules. It blends the best aspects of functional programming and object-oriented styles. Go is the fastest growing language on GitHub, meant to replace languages like Java and C++. A Stack Overflow survey reveals that Go is the fifth and sixth most preferred language among developers today. This is because Go solves issues like slow compilations and
This is the
executions
end of
in
this
large
video. For
distributed
more videos
software
like this,
systems.
please subscribe and like this video. Bye. This is Cheney Brothers, exiting.